Hello guys, today I will show you an amazing PC build under 50,000. It is gonna be an amazing PC build for those who wants to do gaming on 1080p and other tasks like editing. So in this PC you will be easily able to play all your favorite titles and you can also upgrade your PC in future. So let's start the video. So our first component is our processor. So we are using Intel i5-12400F. It is 6-core and 12 threads processor, which delivers amazing performance in all type of tasks. So for the motherboard, we are using MSI B660M motherboard. It also support PCI Gen 4 and a NVMe slot and 2 RAM slots. And it also come in budget. It has all the basic features. And we are using XPG Gamnix D30 DDR4 8GB 3200 MHz RAM. It will be enough for now because of the tight budget. So our greatest component, the graphics card WHI9CH we are using is RX 6600. I could also suggest you the RTX 2060, but RX 6600 is as same as RTX 3060 and it comes in the same price of the RTX 2060. So it is an 8GB card. It can easily run any game on 1080p high settings with 60+ FPS. So the next is the power supply. For then PSU we are using Zebronics ZEB-PGP550W 80+ bronze certified premium power supply. It is good for our build. So the next one is the cabinet. So for cabinet we are using Ant Esports ICE 100 mid-tower computer gaming cabinet with pre-installed 2x140mm front fans and 1x140mm rear fan. It is an RGB cabinet, so it will be looking great. So next is the SSD. We are using an NVMe SSD for our purpose, and Esports 690 Neo Pro M.2 NVMe SSD 512GB with speeds of up to 1900 MB of read and 1200 MB of write. And the last thing is to keep our CPU cool, a CPU fan. So we are using Chipronix HX100 RGB Auto RGB fan. So at last our build is complete. And the total cost of the PC is 51205. It is a little above than 50,000. So at last I can say that you will not regret after building this PC. It will fulfill your needs easily. So if you guys like my PC build, please like, subscribe and share my video.